yenye hu hwe cheze baby aduru no krebu wa ese ebie na me hu videos ni bi na me ra ho because eyade asefem ya yarehwe ehu nsem ye hospitals no ensuyen bade aka so ese ebie na ye adwuma no nso no ye bubu ye ni gusu a but let me speak to Keskin Owusu Puku doctor MPP communications team member agenda 111 na nado dan kwa kufuado apenso na omo hya ase he na wono mo ayebi atumi adru empempenso ben na yeni nkomo so far I learn say omo call rounds kakra share those projects e bi na that screen is over Facebook and that screen is no ofori krom de any other areas omo call ye ni nyina no ye show ewo Facebook. This is a beautiful facility. And ya share that house no. Doc, good morning.
Good morning.
It is saying.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Apom to say.
Na mi adumo menya na bibia boko.
Adom ne mpa boy ho ye pa.
Right,
agenda 111. He ni be hu bie. Anda nana do dan kwa kufuado apenso.
Medo asema chia wetie fonya. Agenda 111 projects are MPP abani I think in Ashanti region in all near about 21 or so. Na ye nana do a commission ye answer ni fra ban mu no na eyemi ye ofori krom kokoben ene trade e de no de aban no hyase ekumi. Now, others they were at various stages. I don't know, make me a police and list the man come up for a yet list somehow. That would be even better.
Okay.
Just in a second, I'll put the list and then give you the long list of projects that are buying a year.
Okay.
But even beyond Agenda 111, so there were other projects that are buying a year on health. And then getting Agenda 111. He said the VAMED projects.
But let's stick to agenda 111 for now.
Yeah, be fully list no, so that I could give you the long list. At least I want to be very specific on the areas now. Project Nina Ewono. You know, say my platform here, a platform, platform of record.
Okay. So more call rounds, but first of all, start with the places are more.
But your voice is a bit faint, too.
Sa na ye ben be volume ni kakra ma me why na we have some challenge here. Nia me pese me bisa ne se mo call baby bebre. Enti baby a mo call ye no. He na mudi kan call ye bi en de be kai short term memory you be able to get it into that. Na ye hwe.
Yeah.
He na mo start free.
Baby ya call about hospital projects we are looking at generally projects MPP are buying here was sentiment. But baby I call in respect of agenda 111 for you chrome kokobin and they are not commission here no.
Okay.
And yes I trade they are not do a commission here no. So those are the two places for agenda 111 yako.
Okay. How was it the state of that facility? Moko ye no na say Nhyira so what to say say.
Your call no for me as a person after this one I call na me raho because so be example be aka say agenda 111 e wo ba bi set the ye ya no nka no kre because even for Bangalore say see for a year doctors nurses no o de we journalists mon ko hwe TV e krabo o ma TV even in those rooms and paying that is him that out ya carry my tracer doctor na nurse in beto so then tired be ba our we change one the accident center wohonum emergency center OPD everything is fitted and ya see na o aban meka se mekwa ko tonkunya kra ba bigume so this whole politics around it and there be MPP commission here there be it was closer to elections the question is aban every ana onye commission no your commission project and your commission here and who do any share na we take narrative aban ko fo bi no mo kan abon table said no mo be infrastructure and mine those two projects as we speak obi ka to see Nhyira let's say
But now there were, I mean, issues about some equipments being installed. Any idea? For now, if it be a medical officers bar, though there are beds, there are other way. A bed they said they can operate. Yet it's our concerns. No, just as
for agenda 111.
Okay.
Now even that even arguments no quite defeatist and unreasonable in the sense that Confonote a few of how many years.
Yeah.
But Confonote project so they are still buying equipment.
Okay.
What just say?
Yeah.
So the whole argument that we are trying to find lame reasons to justify the entire young put two resources into use. Let me give a classic example. Okay, say John Dramani Mahama in his first term, Abu Bifrusono, a commission UGMC hospital on 4th January 2017. Okay. Now, 3 days, not John Mahama hand over. What is MPP complaining about it? Even though it was at 90% complete at the time. What the government did, they said, Empower Commission, a due advanced stage, let's make sure we put it to good use. But we are talking about 16 months after a commission project, project on paper within the first quarter of 2025. As a starting a year, Juma. It is close to say, and now me say, for you come MCU after say, or call a cocobain honum, also a crime crying. I'm like, this is unreasonable. A Payasi hospital, who abandoned for 16 months, no need a kind of and then the Jumatan Kobabe Quino. Contract and the got a seminar, I can't know the bitumen do so. More abandoned for 16 months, what are you expecting? And these are things that make us in a year. More so, no, and yet we are not talking about 1 month, 2 months as a move. We are talking about 16 straight months. Hospital Bibia Wumudada. When they catch me say, why that for 16 months? And your reason, those flimsy Yamano Mokano. Because and one certain is all share of Fukumu as a constituency and a municipality. If I'm not wrong, the only government hospital or a tech teaching hospital. Tech teaching hospital, so actually the tech community, which is a very huge one. The last time I checked, in Komi about close to 100,000 in student population. And can you come MC now? I would have done everything within my means to make sure that any hospital will be to ease the price of the ordinary person. Because hospitals are private. It's only Kano. And when he had to say all these years, all these months, 16 months now, or then another 2 move vociferously say, I buy him. Yeah, can't want some moment. He's also back to justify his incompetence on this matter.
But
no. It's unacceptable.
Right. Said you can say yeah completely and it was ready for use, but I say and penifo ntimi amfa nya adwuma no. I mean we remember say Abino inaugurated in 2024. That was in December 2024, right?
5th December 2024. Sure.
After say you inaugurated, I mean there were some recruitments more bino a year. And if a functional a bit me abua why say one recruit workers anko in terms of be bino background bia when two and more already what me a set pace no na muja na hosa akoye
obekaya and this ya buying after say you to about 7 December year fiatom le beto abonte the government shouldn't recruit, government shouldn't do anything and I repeat
but say more recruit here.
Neighbor.
Okay.
You recruit here and recruitment say even before elections. Once they say, and when we did say chief of staff casting in the trust and mobile and almost suspend all those recruitment.
Okay, yeah.
In Tiano, it doesn't come back to MPP government.
So, were people posted there because you had about a month to go?
People were not posted there.
Okay.
What I said, but Abine Bay, after all these months, and Payasi Hospital, Abina Commission, Don Mahama Commission a year UGMC, no Fanko Fonko who, no for Dr. Senko who. It took Nanado, to make sure so the nipa wafa ni or the wafa nipa the nipa ko. There are nurses at home. Omo pay juma. Omo backlog go home yemfa omo juma. The skills are not more man say oh hospitals should be ready. Now hospitals are ready. What is your excuse again? Assuming say na do kra na eti 16 months. And then this is almost me recruiting as a go.
Okay.
So it's not about another issue again. It's about the incompetence of the government. And people shouldn't forget. Akokwa, at least we're a student of record.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, if we 2009 NDC Bab and Mills Mahama to 2016 and now 2017 January, they didn't complete a single hospital they inherited in Ashanti region. The Omwa Kwasa se koma nwe ba akopempu. Omo se tu ase from nani kumewu. Omo na John Mahama kofa kumewu de 6 million. That acquired research in 2016. So obai weni abana na so weni abana.
That one they disputed it.
It's not about dispute, but that was a story. I'm Joy, Mosesta Station, a reporting. The point I'm making is that NDC did not complete a single hospital they inherited in Ashanti region. Yet someone at that trajectory now starts to be 16 months down the line. Hospitals are inheriting now. And that is the fierce agency of now. That is the seriousness of the issue.
Let me bring in Abbas Noureddin.
That is fine.
NDC Ashanti Regional Communications Officer and the CEO for Social Investment Fund. Abbas, good morning.
Good morning, Minya.
Na bom teze.
Oh, adia chinye dia beka senyankopon.
Yeda okropon ase. I remember Dr. Frank Amwakohene. October 8th, we are reported by Graphic Online, October 8, 2025. Or say 3 out of the 5 Agenda 111 hospital projects in Ashanti region have been completed by the current government and are currently in use. The Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Amwakohene, has stated. Abbas, Mami Misao, Agenda 111. Dear he and na mo say now is in use no.
Yo. Meda wase akoko anamachia atiefo a etie yan ewo Nhyira FM. Now maybe I don't want us to limit the discussion only to Agenda 111. You share the state of health facilities generally in the Ashanti region. Na minia keskene kasa no ka asembli amegidi se nukribi anhye denim se omoja hospital bi ma ye ba ne yanwie ba kokra hospital bi ani ho a MPP for ko no mode aso abofom esie dru ba bi a omoja ma ye ba ye incomplete. That is the first point. Hospital are all coming na NDC and neba hospital are all coming na NDC na dey aso ebebo from a2 foundation if you do baby yeah kono na formina more than 85% complete. Now after a military hospital about 65% complete. Kuma wunum ni ade nyina na asie dru a very appreciable level na odi bibi kakra bi ka ho na oya bi yi ama omanfo no etinya ye de akob. So we need to put on record say MPP for amfa hospital bia omosi say o masha CSC ejayen ye ne be share sa hospitals ni na say ene ye digya omo kono bibri wo ha omo be twa so mu say omo awie. And so no many pen to me come. A typical example is a real hospital. You see MPP say if you want to know move be akonya Ghana for study or move fee a kind of move so a year. The real hospital Nanado and Ajo the sum no de continue a katan see a wuka woman. Na me the minimum say ye project we na ye be twa homa mu a ye bodwa data afra krom wo hene assemblyman empanyimfo ewom ni akoga basawia district hospital abra na nadu kotwa no light ni ho hospital mfidie nyina no e de light na ye adwuma It will be a day now what to me at Castle West Hospital who could travel Mamunipankum Wabra. A year light, that was the deception, that was the level of lies and double standards of the MPP. Yembra Agenda 111. You see, MPP, the 111, Oman planning, Oman, Moma Junimu Dase, Omobay Hospitals, their friend Agenda 111. What was almost 2016 manifesto more. Maybe yeah, they in himself, Mobisi Hospitals. Yes, sir. COVID by ya, Omuyamushi, or one almost you, ya by Agenda 111. The Okaya initially no almost say, Omobay 88. Omokoda sorry almost omo ye 100 and something. O man pesika amfan to what say agenda 111. Agenda 111 no na you need blueprint to be a down and yet you see hospitals are akukwasenka health minister our no and they in charge of the health sector no no the vessel. Agenda 111 no. And the MPP became a corruption machinery at the presidency.
Anything.
And yet, health minister Nana Efeso, the chief of staff, and yet MPP and coming the chief of staff on the award I had the contract. Sikabi any ho near the amount for na omo ye sikaka kraba omo ye namfo for no na mobilization. Eko bi akire no. Sika ya pompe di egu agenda 111 hospital abra MPP kono na bro $500 million sa sika no enketimi si hospitals ahoduo 50 ma ye bie edu fidie gum MPP fo anya ne saa o ma to sika na pete because of corruption and access to kakaka no mubeye dey o mubenya di wo and now NDC ye ba yi economy omudi ja ye nye papa but ye nsisiye no we need more than $2 billion to complete all those agenda 111 hospitals.
$2 billion or Ghana cedis. $2
billion to complete all the agenda 111 hospital omodi o monsa kan omaji hu sika bia wie ni omokono. Meanwhile over $500 million no we dey share mun ke betnya 50 ama ya bie. That is how said the aboa was no behave or ya dey bia wo hwe you obedi ni nankwa won hwe da achen yen so ba ya akokwa on say economy ni nye wa wani twa say economy ni nye entina o agenda 111 hospital bebre a e wa asante mantem ho a wo ko barekese na wo ko fufu a baako en say e wo ho o ba so ase se pe ho a baako wo ho ni nyina aka because aban no anko pesika bia ye dey agenda 111 hospital ona sika kakra na na wo ho no a ka Asante region kwankia ya agenda 1115 edi ye wie ena mfidie gum na amanfo kwa megidi senkepe bo aba ya to apete yanso ye ba ye metu sika butini bia amode ato ena economy amode ja ye ne nso no enye in 4 years no a car o man panyina kufuado na wo say service ya na say debt servicing obligation I will to share yinkwa no be ye $30 billion and ye tua in 4 years afi we nkwa ye tua 50 billion Ghana cedis a car kufuado ne kan ofori atamo enti enya dia asabi sikada ho bi wo ba bia ye be ka say ye de be sha agenda 111 hospital mu sesi ye na hospital na bra mo kono Asante radio na ko ni mu pa no e ya trade eni ofori krom the no kra no mu wie trade ni ofori krom no because hospital
but obeji edi say the stage no edru advanced stage kakra
ni am pa to ya kasa hospital edru advanced stage a enye dan na esi ho no e mfidi a wodi begum nipa a wo be form agum busa MPP mfidie bɛn na ɔmo to gu hospital ni mu ansa na ɔmo kɔ ofori kuro kura de ɔmo kɔ twa do no ɔmo de ntoma kata adan ni bi ho because concrete kura ni gu wom concrete kura ni gu was some part of ofori kuro na dan a on cement mu wo bɛ da na wo de afidie sim So all those hospitals, no, if you always a structure, but we are in Casa there.
But me share I think say is it for room the ya. Enkunya gugum mehu television bi na ebo dan bi mu and there are some beds over there near the why na
hospital
why na
akonya any bed
and air conditions na sinks everything I think
akoko anka wo kra wo dem wo betimi di hospital because wo dem akonya si wo dem TV wo ho wo dem mpesi wo
no but there are hospital beds
be hospital yen fidie edi yen fa ne say maternity ho a edi anyema na edi abegu odi hospital equipment edi edi abasa oba ye be CS ye be operation wo ho de anyema obi ba hospital a ye de be hwe no obi be ye ultrasound obi be ye scan eno ni ade anyema ye betimi de ewo he and it's all kind of bed any TV na empa esi baby into your hospital there
so
any baby your hospital because captain crowd them no TV ho empa ho akonya nso ho so the point is that eno enema hospital your hospital enti akoko dia o kan say the empa ni TV ene akonya akọ baby enti why your hospital your manipa empa enti obi ba no obo a oba kan ba se obewo oba no aso TV na ma o de na to mpa so no aso TV amana na
I think sir when it comes to some of these projects because of say ehu hia temamufo no anase manfo a ewo mu ntino by now menim say government no aya assessment Kesken beba was so sisia. Hold on for me. Na mute we no.
Bepacho, okay, me wo another no TV show.
Yeah, I will let you come in.
Opanyini uni adaje ya nyebe yo.
Meba.
Me kura me yes you kura me so me ye kasa.
Abas hold on. Abas hold on. Kesken mami misa no question we. Kesken. No meba Abas mami misa a question we.
Okay.
So far, o say stage edru mfidie nim any ade a mode be ye adwuma and I've shown you some of the items a ewo ho a misusu se akọ nanim kakra ye beka ne se advance ya bibi mfidie kakra ye de beka ho a ebetumi aye adwuma mo aye assessment ahwe se bia ofori krom ne other areas na aka no mfidie memfa no ofori krom ne I mean the other one no two no mo call ye no is it twede or the other area trade sa two no mo ahwemfidie no cost is it too much for you as a government say mo betumi a procure amaye operationalize sa facilities because true we na me hu ye ne there I think that we wouldn't need much
yeah assessment no me yam no say you be $2 billion
no for the two facilities in Ashanti region
yeah do anum to say trade ene ofori kromu a MPP for anwie o man fa mfidie ngum no ye hwe se ye benya mfidie bia begum na asase aye adwuma nurse for aye fa break sia wa mu aye de beto abontin num no aye dey a bi be ko ho so aye dey akoye adwuma
okay
if you want me see hospital na unka se ye mie wa bra nurses and doctors kra anya dey enim
mama ma kesken emrem
na it was on that basis na minister said agenda 111 no de mu apeja kakra ya de mfidie gu mebetun aye adwuma na be hyase aye adwuma ti yesre na for no musu ntwan economy na MPP for the jay ne nye enu nti amasi kasem aye basa kakra ba ye totoba ye de bibia ni ho a ye nye ye ho obofo cause there so obofo nim so obawi ado atira nko huhu ye
okay
the MPP o mo ba ye koko roads na ya ye nom nya de nyina mo jagu ho ma ne say ya and we not double the original price and some
my yan stick on agenda one
interchange
mama nko
kesken one city crowd on come company mahama betimi ajai because we am to ska but now they are big push to our day
okay hold on for me now
MPP for the almost kan capture ba
mo akasa kesken
mahama and say about that dano na ye to jai or yes
odi reduce Abbas kakrama me na Abbas hold on
agenda 111 project na dia akwa animu aye wie no ye di mfidi agum at the end of the day e your manfo no ayarehwe obi timi call hospital na bed kura ni ho
Abbas hold on for me Hold on for me, Abbas. Hold on for me. Mesa Abbas, who name from Mamu say. Ode no emma from Mamu papa. Hold on for me. Kesken.
Awokwa, Abbas. Now, I'm very scandalized. It's shameful.
Ade.
Because your kind, and trying to do. Me say we a media person. More you good at doing this. For you come bemo, kokobin bemo, munkora munkoshe.
No, they're all kind of say, oh, sure. Machines say, you can't be such questions. Because if you need, is a hospital and you need a theater and all those things, you need a theater equipment and all those things. I didn't see all these things here.
I'm telling you, I've been there. I've been there. So why do you allow people to come and lie with so much impunity?
No, Keskin, you went there to take videos, and I'm I'm even playing your own video. And then normal what they Crawford said this is the stage Edruni all those things. In fact, your government was in power, and I'm more commissions from commission to time we're more handy over no. I know you have more information than we can even assess because say we call say be mbia ma wono went to be inside and I'm boy
you went inside. I went inside. So exactly a year ago.
Yes.
Honorable Vincent Ekwasifua any Mike Edumu in answer to video near build doors they entered every room.
Yeah, me I saw beds and those things, but the theater equipment near DNOA at that moment, what they captured, I didn't see any theater equipment there.
May say that just to make it short, Osho video now go back to YouTube and watch it. Yakoya no the Nema are rapping on and put through and bomb. All of them are fitted. So why are we allowing people to lie with impunity?
And my problem was that say when we are available na yentumi amfa nipa nkoma is a worrying within that space.
Bruh, your commission at December 5th, 2024. Your commission, you know, and tell any free bear within 1 month any free abaymo and a credit. Yes, you have nurses and doctors because recruitment takes some time. No problem. We have nurses or more fee or more pay Juma buying and for Juma.
The call has been put on hold. Please wait. Your call has been put on hold. Please wait.
Hello.
Keskin, Kasa.
We have it's a more pay Juma buying for Juma. Yahoo.
Okay.
Yeah, as I'm American, I'm not saying BB on hearsay. That's about saying you know. The person is lying. The person has no dignity. Go there and check it for yourself.
Myself, I haven't been there personally.
That is what I'm saying.
And I will go there this week and have a view of because your facility, no, your gadgets be where when you don't have it, me operate hospital, no. And so,
I'm saying,
I will go there myself. But the videos I've seen, there are some gadgets that me who know why I think that it's like as I'm talking about the theater equipment and all that to make it a full hospital.
I'm saying it's a theater, no, or must fix theater with machines.
Okay.
So this whole narrative, no, yes,
right.
a lame way of trying to find excuses.
Okay.
This is 16 months down the line.
Your call has been put on hold. Please wait.
Okay.
Your call has been put on hold. Please wait.
Man can't add that no one wanna see you know.
Yeah.
Me can you see you commission.
Okay.
I even told you to the extent that the end crowd that doctors no nurses quarters no. Or my you need na create TV scrabble.
Okay.
How can you tell me say you
Jeff, obet me maybe on YouTube to get Asefuadie no whether he captured the theater room and all that. Why? Shemaye. Okay. Twaso.
As part of Eurojet project.
Yeah.
And this by no you took another to come and finish it. Even though it started on Akufo. NDC na buy no. That's how a Eurojet project is a 1 year for a come. On na se wa at the 48%. Yes, you want that saying. Your commission, you must there be over 2%, 4%, 16 months. Okay, say regional minister no call Ecuador Siwa. Or for now in the first month. 1 year down the line, I don't know Kobu Musa say Okodo no DNA to Akodo view.
But we mentioned that Farin so I mean,
the them say afari so and credit. You know, near around 58%.
Na economy kakra, but at least
around 58%. You afari abebe do about 95%. The late Omane Boama is on record. Joy Moama reported. I know what I say. Omobe commission, omobe operationalize afari by September 2025.
Okay.
Why are we not asking the critical question? Ampa MPP abeye vehicle. Enti na machine enemu na MPP in nurses. Like NDC wants, they are lying and they want people to believe. And until 16 months down the line on 1 year, it is acceptable. About the economy in and no one else out the economy is the economy na economy. So the critical issues have that or make the Hamupa economy no and you say have any to Tunema. But no one and just papa everything is rosy to say. My point is that Oka say Obi and yes count one at own government by finance consolidated fund, based on the priorities of government, which may decided the person did. Agenda 111 was largely financed with GOG funding. The GOG say it's can you want to ya and please can't hold ma. So I won't keep projects no a modern cry.
Okay. Kesken. Mekoba Miami view on the issues I will state it. Okay.
Of course, woman increases security on daytime to 5.
All right.
And you make to 11.
Okay.
Thank you. And what are they afraid of?
Oma mo room.
Almost say, Omo my young room. The order we giving them from above.
Omun room
for the Omi inside no. Also we are compound, yes, a facility to me. Wouldn't compound the moon the more APP what is happening in there.
Okay.
What are they afraid of?
I will get in touch again after. What
are they afraid of?
I'll get in touch again after say Medru Abbas. Abbas yemfemwie na I don't know. Asemwa okay. Me my issue was with Abbas Otemenga. My issue and it's about equipment. Edia, I mean, I buy no bet me. I won't be with it 2 facilities in Ashanti region. You bet me. I won't be within a short time.
Definitely. And I think the health ministry,
no short time. That is the most important.
Other Ghana Health Service say operationalize the hospital no.
Yeah.
MPP for Kwakokwa. Hospital ya dem fidie na ye na fidie bi anim. That is point must be made and made very strongly. Now, no everywhere. First can I kasa no say anya by priority by say economy I didn't inquire hospital. You have consolidated for the doctor in public policy. And sometimes argument are serious call in any kind of way. I go to Hana and say finance minister Bema Yasochi yes Dan I have consolidated fund and I see Kaya Jijin Nano. So we the statutory payments, let's say get fund, common fund, national health insurance. Now we sika ya di chia ya huaka. Efrimu. Now there is one other. Now any ya di chia aka ya dede no. I just say ya Bobosia 2025. Ya Bobosia 17 billion. E kan ho kran san ye tinye chia adwuma ya foka. Akokwa meboa.
Yeah.
Intino consolidated fund no sika no wa hia. Yamfa nkoye eye akwan. So Kesken should elevate the discussion. Now unjai those pedestrian economy no almost said one san omoko. Akokwa fa economy nye na woni ska de na wo ye senka wo betumi akobọ bosia meboa. By esa MPP amamu boni omoko bobosia o man 20 no. Eurobond ani eti kobọ bosia e de be ye e betumi dia be ye hospital no. Kanoforia tabo bosia $12 billion e wo ho. Edru ni tia so a wo se won tia. Ene yesi mun tia dia ene ya pam mu bi amamu bosia biu. Ene ho nso ya pam ya free ho. Ti se nkan people bo bra pa. Ena mo abide by your model service and obligation a. Me gidi se nkan na niam ho aye den kra ne betia to gi Eurobond. E dia betia. and then IMF conditionality sign say you no mo see your money amenti no say woni sika wo futuom won't be euro bond that would be domestic bonds. Domestic bonds also stands up for give your man to share no. IMF restricted for 3 years. Say ya you chrome ya the amudi you chrome. Yet to mean called domestic bond market in a crown issue bonds. When the economy MPP DJ economy ya buy a bed dear ya who chabria. Enti the MPP for Canada or more na ya or one of Marco Nekune. Ombako etifi afọ hu nsuo na omaba anafo obusa say na idea ntina nsuo na ye dey ahono. But problem ni nyina ye dey e yo mo a ba ye dey ye sere Ghana fo ne say eni manimu ya ne ye dey ja wa ne ye dey aso awo. Ye nka say pipi aban no aye niema basa nti no de ye beto ye no ye ntu hu anamon sene omo ye no sene ye ba ya kwan akese so am interchange a na o magya ne wa Asante Region sika bia na ho aye papa mahama apiskam ye no. Sanso na hospital no mreti a woye mu de akona nimu a nipa komo yeye no Ministry of Health ye nhyehyɛ ya ye de nipa ne mfidie begum na aboama Asante ayarehwɛ nso aye den adimu.
Okay.
Now on the lighter note also ono nam ko Sawia Hospital se ye se ma ne nko na Sawia ho na okona nye ya okobɔ nkusie wo ha na
oh no, say
because they say opposition am to we Manchester obotom na ukona de be na hospital na ja demu na ye ne dey
oh Debbie
enti ye ma obi anko ho na obi akose no emrepam no government will operationalize Sawia Hospital na Sawia ayi burden a ewo Komfoanoche Hospital so no a ene Komfoanoche nipa yare what 12 regions na mu ye den a Komfoanoche ne ye de ne ba nti ama pressure aba Komfoanoche ti ama Asante Region aha yewi obi tumi yare Komfoanoche bed kura wonya bi no atena so ba say ne Sawia as a regional hospital aba on board that e dey yi pressure no dodo no afri eye Komfoanoche ne so na aboa ama eye Asantema yarehwe ayedai ejini Asantema yarehwe eni apomuden hu nsem eda NDC amanyoku no yakoma so
in fact
ba ye no yanhye da metuska kakra wo ho no ye boaboa no e de abehye de ye wienim na ma Asante yarehwe edimu yesre Asantema se omunum nsuo twan ope emeti awa mu no hospitals no ebehunu se ebebia ebehye ase aye adwuma ma nipa akom.
Okay. Abaz mame nasi anope.
Isme da se mini akokwa na menshao.
All right. Lawyer Abbas Nuruddin, NDC Ashanti Regional Communications Officer and of course CEO for Social Investment Fund and yenene etwetwe enkomono. Ote Dr. Keskin Owusu Poku Esonka NPP Communications Team member.